Power, precision, and durability make all the difference when choosing a high-performance blender. Best Vitamix blender models are built to handle everything from silky smoothies and creamy soups to nut butters and frozen desserts with consistent results. Whether you need a blender for daily family meals or professional-level food preparation, the right Vitamix can save time while delivering exceptional performance. And product link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Vitamix 5-Speed Blender. Vitamix Immersion Blender is an excellent choice for anyone who wants the power of a Vitamix without giving up valuable counter space. Equipped with a strong 625-watt motor and 5 adjustable speed settings, it delivers smooth and consistent blending for soups, smoothies, sauces, and homemade baby food. The stainless steel 4-pronged blade easily handles tough ingredients while producing creamy textures. Its ergonomic design allows comfortable one-handed operation, making it simple to add ingredients while blending. The generous 5-foot cord provides flexibility around the kitchen, and the blender works well with containers that have openings 3 inches wide or larger. Instead of transferring hot soups into a countertop blender, you can blend directly in the cooking pot, saving both time and cleanup. Whether you're preparing dressings, purees, or single-serve smoothies, this immersion blender offers impressive versatility.
Number 4. Vitamix Ascent X2 Blender.
Vitamix Ascent Blender combines premium performance with smart technology, making it an excellent investment for serious home cooks. It includes a 48-ounce container that is perfectly sized for small and medium batches, while the 3 automatic blending programs remove the guesswork from preparing smoothies, frozen desserts, and hot soups. Variable speed control and a pulse function allow you to fine-tune every recipe for the exact consistency you want. One of its standout features is the self-detect wireless technology, which automatically recognizes compatible containers and adjusts blending settings accordingly. The digital timer helps improve precision during manual blending, ensuring consistent results every time. Cleanup is equally convenient thanks to the self-cleaning program that finishes the job in under a minute with only warm water and dish soap.
Number 3. Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender.
Vitamix Explorian Blender delivers professional-grade performance at a more accessible price, making it one of the most popular choices in the Vitamix lineup. Powered by a high-performance 2 HP motor, it effortlessly blends frozen fruit, fibrous vegetables, nuts, and ice into silky smoothies, creamy soups, and flavorful sauces. Its durable laser-cut stainless steel blades are built for long-lasting performance and maintain excellent cutting efficiency through years of daily use. The 48-ounce container creates the signature Vitamix vortex that pulls ingredients toward the blades for consistently smooth blends. With 10 variable speed settings and a pulse function, users have complete control over texture, whether preparing chunky salsa or velvety purees. Cleaning is refreshingly simple, requiring only warm water and a drop of dish soap for a quick self-cleaning cycle.
Number 2. Vitamix Propel Series 510 Blender.
Vitamix Propel Blender offers an excellent balance of convenience, power, and everyday usability. Its powerful 2 HP motor easily processes frozen fruit, leafy greens, ice, and nuts, producing consistently smooth blends with minimal effort. The included 48-ounce BPA-free container is dishwasher safe and perfectly suited for preparing meals and drinks for small to medium-sized households. 3 automatic blending programs simplify preparing smoothies, frozen desserts, and hot soups, while 10 variable speed settings and a pulse function provide complete control whenever manual blending is preferred. Durable laser-cut stainless steel blades maintain their performance over years of regular use and help create the signature Vitamix vortex for efficient ingredient circulation. After blending, cleanup is quick with the self-cleaning feature that requires only warm water and a small amount of dish soap.
Number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender.
Vitamix 64-ounce blender, built around the legendary 5200 platform, remains one of the most trusted choices for home and professional kitchens alike. Powered by a durable 2 HP motor, it effortlessly handles everything from frozen fruit and ice to dense vegetables and nuts. The spacious 64-ounce BPA-free container is ideal for preparing large batches of smoothies, soups, sauces, and nut butters, making it especially suitable for families or meal preparation. 10 variable speed settings, along with a dedicated high-speed option, provide exceptional control over texture, allowing users to create everything from chunky salsa to ultra-smooth purees. The laser-cut stainless steel blades are engineered for years of dependable performance, while creating the signature Vitamix Vortex for efficient blending. Built with simplicity, durability, and consistent performance in mind, the 5200 continues to earn its outstanding reputation. Final verdict. Every Vitamix blender on this list delivers excellent blending performance, but the best choice depends on your cooking style, batch size, and preferred features.
We recommend the Vitamix 5200 blender
As the top overall pick, thanks to its powerful 2 HP motor, large capacity container, and proven durability for everything from smoothies to soups. If you prefer modern convenience with automatic blending programs,
The Vitamix Propel Series 510 blender
is an outstanding alternative that combines professional performance with easy-to-use preset functions. Check the link in the description for current details and other options.